Hi, my name is Sarah Kasner. I am a principal that focuses on physician and APP compensation design. I have been with the firm SullivanCotter for 13 years. APP turnover has really been a long-standing concern for organizations. The demand for APPs is really outpacing the supply, and organizations are focusing more on recruitment and retention. We have found in some of our work that when you have a defined APP leadership structure, this can actually result in a reduction of the APP turnover by as much as 2%. So if we think about the math of that, we have a direct cost of $120,000 for an APP. That's exclusive of any indirect costs that also might come with turnover. And at any organization having, say, 500 APPs, which is very normal at this point, 2% is 10 APPs, and that $120,000 can result in $1.2 million. So it's really not insignificant. Some of the main drivers of turnover, I would say, while we see that compensation is a factor, it isn't necessarily always the primary driver. Some of the other things to think about are working below the scope. When APPs may not be working to the top of their license, that can be an indication of APPs looking to go elsewhere where they might be able to get that experience. Also, just not having a clear understanding of the role of an APP. So you might have physicians within your care team that don't really understand the scope of their practice. It might be other clinical staff, such as nurses or MAs, that also aren't understanding what an APP can do and that they actually are medical decision makers. I also don't want to undermine the importance of your onboarding and orientation. So ineffective processes of those can lead to turnover. I would say this is also not just for new hires, but as APPs are with your organization for a period of time, ensuring you have 90-day, 6-month, year check-ins to make sure that they have what they need in order to be successful. So overall, just how to reduce your turnover. Again, that defined APP leadership structure I think is really important. Also having a holistic and really cohesive strategy to optimize and engage your APPs at your organization. And that will result in significant impacts to your recruitment and your retention.